So guys, hawak ko na ang aking bagong Xiaomi 17 Pro. And of course, gusto ko i-protect to with a tempered glass from Sabs. So kinontak ko si Sir Jeron, Sir Jeric para ikabitan to ng bagong tempered glass. Para, well, added protection is always better than none. So, since busy ako, so pinadala ko tong unit sa kanila. Tiwalang-tiwala na tayo sa kanila. So, of course, the usual, tatanggalin niya yung default film. Then, of course, pupunasan niya ng alcohol. And, of course, tatakpan niya lahat ng butas dito with a scotch tape. Then, of course, lilinisin niya ng thoroughly yung screen to make sure na walang mga libag. And, of course, lalagyan na niya ng Sabs Asahi Premium Glue. And since this is optical, so alam na natin kung anong shape i-drawing nila. Then of course, nalapat na nila yung tempered glass and aantay lang tayo para maglapat siya ng maayos to make sure na walang bubbles before nila i-diretso na yan sa MRI na tinatawag namin ni Sir Jeron. Tinest naman nila ang fingerprint scanner, it was okay, and sinip back na nila sa akin. And so ito na, dumating na ang aking Xiaomi 17 Pro. So test lang natin ng fingerprint scanner no, kung okay. Uy, okay, bilis. Hindi ko pa halos natatouch, no? Nabukas na siya. And of course, syempre, this is definitely very responsive ang screen ng aking bagong Xiaomi 17 Pro. And kung gusto niyo magpakabit na ng tempered glass, of course, i-message nyo lang si Sabs Asahi Dome Glass or si Gadget Said, si Sir Jeron or si Sir Jeric just to install your new Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. Meron na sila. So, paano yan? Hanggang dito muna. I'll see you soon. Bye!